Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So here's a quick get ready with me. I have to go for a dinner and I just have 10 to 15 minutes. मैंने फटाफट से मेकअप लुक क्रिएट कर लिया and it's looking very natural. It's a very practical makeup look. It's a no makeup look and it was looking very nice for a casual dinner date. And I also styled this entire look with Zouk handbag और मैं देख रही थी कि मेरे पास एक वॉलेट भी था तो उसके साथ कैसा जाता है. I'll talk about these two in detail, so let's just get started. And now I'm starting with the skin prep. So first I'm using a very hydrating serum, L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum, because you need to hydrate your skin really well before makeup. And then I'm using Kama Ayurveda Iladi Hydrating Cream. The formulation is very lightweight, it blends very smoothly and it also hydrates skin really well. Just massage it in upward strokes till it get fully absorbed और आपको एक बहुत ही moisturized and hydrated skin मिलेगी. सीरियसली जब भी मैं इस क्रीम को लगाती हूँ ना, एक बहुत ही स्किन पे एक अच्छा सा ग्लो आता है एज वेल एज मेरी स्किन जो है शाइनी लगती है. देन टू हाइड्रेट एंड मॉइस्चराइज माई लिप्स आई एम यूजिंग अ लिप बाम एंड दिस वन इज डॉट एंड के लिप बाम. द शेड इज रोज ब्लश. And nowadays I love applying BB creams, BB serums, and the one I'm using is Sugar Goddess or Flawless BB serum and my shade is 27 Veena. As you can see, the consistency is literally watery and it blends so beautifully. आप चाहो तो ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से इसको ब्लेंड कर सकते हो या आप अपने हाथों से ब्लेंड कर सकते हो. बहुत ही आराम से स्किन में ब्लेंड हो जाता है, एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है, एज वेल एज इट गिव्स अ वेरी नेचुरल लुक. अगर आप ऑफिस गोइंग हो या कॉलेज गोइंग हो या आप जैसे मैं कैजुअल डिनर डेट पे जा रही हूँ, सो यू कैन ईजिली अप्लाई दिस ओवर योर मॉइस्चराइजर and that's it. And most of the time I use it, whenever I use it, I skip my primer. I just apply it over my moisturizer and that's it. And then I'm applying concealer just to cover dark spots, pigmentation, and I'm using it on my highest points of face so that my face look a bit even toned and brighten up. And now I will just quickly blend it with the help of beauty blender. Next I'm using loose powder to set the cream products in place. Now I'm just gonna quickly do my brows with Brow Definer, My Glam Brow Definer, and quickly filling it up and setting all in place. Moving on to the eyes, I'm gonna keep my eyes little simple and subtle, and today I'm using this Manish Malhotra eyeshadow palette and dipping my brush in this beautiful pink shade, and I will apply it all over my crease area. So, and then I'm taking this beautiful champagne gold shade and applying it all over my eyelid. It is a very pigmented shade, so I'm just blending it with my finger. And then I'm applying kajal to get a more deeper and intense eye look. And then I applied an eyeliner and I'm just quickly curling my eyelashes and applying the mascara. 2 coats of mascara on the upper eyelashes and not on the lower eyelashes. And for my lips today, I'm not using any lipstick. Instead of, I'm using this very tinted lip balm from Dot and Key. It has a very beautiful tint and it looks very nice and natural. And now recently I have been loving using lip and cheek tints. They are such a beautiful on the go sort of product. If you are in a hurry, you can just apply it on your lips, cheeks, and you are good to go. And it looks so beautiful on your cheeks as well as on your lips. So I'm just applying it all over my cheeks and I'm just blending it with my fingers. And now let's just quickly apply some highlighter on the highest points of my face, and I am applying it with the help of my finger. I'm just dabbing it all over the highest points of my face, and it looks very natural and nice. So guys, I'm just done with all my makeup and I'm ready to go, and when everything is done you just need a very nice handbag, a good handbag to carry with. So today I with this look I am just teaming it up with a Zouk handbag. Zouk is a proudly Indian brand, and all they have variety of bags. They have laptop bag, they have backpacks, they have variety of bags. So the one I have is Zouk Hobo bag, and this bag is named as Bidri Kesar Hobo bag. It has a very stylish floral pattern and it contains a single compartment and also has a back chain for quick access. And this bag seamlessly combines functionality and fashion. It is made with vegan leather. All the Zouk bags are made from vegan leather, handicraft fabric, water resistant inner lining. And I do also have one more option, this chain wallet, and I can also carry only this wallet because this wallet is so spacious. This is named as Fatehpur Fresco chain wallet, and I can keep my phone as well as the other things. You can see it's very spacious. I have a coupon code for you which I'll mention on the screen in front of you, so that if you use that coupon code you can get additional 10% off, as well as I'll mention all the details, links as well as coupon code in the description box, so don't you worry. So guys, that's it, that's all for today, and I was really loving the makeup. It was looking very natural and subtle. I hope you also found this video useful and helpful. Then please hit the like button and also do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.